Hello everyone and welcome back to Lake Nomad. I'm William Walker. I just got something in that I'm really excited to use. Every time in the past that I thought about getting a, the adapter or whatever that is, the setup for it, I end up seeing a mold that I want more. And then I buy the mold and then I'm like, wow, I love this mold, but I would love to shoot laminates. And that happened a bunch. This like 2 weekends ago, my mom showed up. It was my birthday. Yes, my mom still gives me birthday gifts, even though I'm 31 years old. And she gave me a present. So yeah, we can finally do laminate. I think the perfect thing to do for this, because I'm gonna be learning. I don't wanna waste new plastisol learning this process. I'm actually going to get a bunch of remelt, lay it out, and I'm just gonna laminate remelts that I think will be okay together by the way they look, and just have fun with it.
All right, so I got everything warming up on the griddle first use, and now I'm gonna start mixing some of these together. If you don't know what a remelt is, it's just like old plastic from old cups, like, you know, black and red. Here's some of my black and blue. I'm gonna put those together, I think. I'm just gonna start going through here and just throwing in stuff that I haven't used for like a while, just to recycle and reuse it. I may also throw in some of this Hypershift purple blue in there, and we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna, yeah, just see what comes out. The other color, I have some of that really cool watermelon with purple. With that, I think I'm gonna throw in a lot of this watermelon / pumpkin colors with red flake and whatnot, and that'll be my other side. So I have my injector here. I'm trying to draw out both of them. And I start from the side. I took the rod out for my first try. Okay. And we're off. Yeah, I was out of plastic. I was wondering how close I was. Alright, I think I had enough to fill that, so that's good. I'll show you what's going on in the blending block. I've wanted to do this forever, guys. So that's what's going on inside of the blending block right there. Two colors going into one. Cool. Okay, so there's one side. I can see some blue already up here, or that June bug color, I should say. So there you go. You can see this side is mostly green. If I flip it over, that side is purple. So you got a purple side and a green side. Purple and green. There's some blue coming on over here. Looks like the green kind of, oh, actually that was a pretty solid laminate there. That's pretty cool. Okay. For my first one, good practice there. Good practice for my first one. All right. Roll this down. Ooh, this one might be even better. We have green. I have purple. It always comes out. Oh, I put the belly on top. That's funny. I did the opposite of what I tried to do. I have not written on my molds yet, but there's the, you can see the bottom is green, the top is a purple blue. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. See the lamination? The temperatures actually must have been pretty close. It was almost right down the middle. Yeah, those are the colors. And here's a shot of that laminate. You had the blue and the black going into one down here. It looks like a good mix. We'll see.
Not sure if they all filled. I didn't do a very good job pushing. Nope. These two did though. So the bottom is blue and the top is black. All right, this is the big BTS 10-inch mold. There's the blue side. And there's the black. Kind of see a line right there. Really good laminate actually. Temperatures weren't too far off. I think it's scalding still. Can you see it a little bit? Black and blue hog. Like right down the middle. Just hold that up again. Flopped last time. There you go.
All right, last run.
I shot the 2 instead of the 1. Oh, it's hot. This is the Epic Leech. Bottom. The white was very see-through. I really like what it did. Looks very natural. Well guys, I forgot to film me opening this up, but as you can already tell, I did not do it the right direction again. I have a belly color on top and a belly color on the bottom. So, learning right bottom and top on my molds. Cool. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This is after the fact. As soon as I finished that video, my wife asked if I wanted to go fishing and we hopped on the boat, we took off. I had no time for an outro, but I got to use some of the baits that I had just made, so that was great. She outfished me, per usual. I don't know what to say after that. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you again soon.